Are you struggling to squash multiple commits into one in Git? You're not alone. Many new users face this challenge, and today we're going to simplify the process for you. I totally get it. It can be really frustrating when you're trying to clean up your commit history and things just don't seem to work. You're not the only one who has felt this way. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user recently asked, "How do I squash 3 commits into one?" They mentioned that they are new to Git and are having trouble seeing all their commits when they run the command. Sound familiar? Let's tackle this together. So, what does it mean to squash commits? Squashing commits allows you to combine multiple commits into a single one, making your commit history cleaner and easier to read. This is especially useful before merging a pull request. And stick around. I have a great tip at the end that will help you avoid this issue in the future. To begin squashing commits, the user should first open their terminal and navigate to the repository where the commits are located. Next, the user needs to initiate an interactive rebase. They can do this by typing git rebase ahead 3 in the terminal. This command tells Git to rebase the last 3 commits. After running the rebase command, a text editor will open, displaying the last 3 commits. The user should change the word pick to squash for the last 2 commits they want to combine. Once the user has made these changes, they should save and close the editor. Git will then combine the commits and prompt the user to edit the commit message for the new squashed commit. Finally, the user can verify that the commits have been squashed by running git log in the terminal. This will show the updated commit history. Fun fact, the term squash in Git is a bit like making a smoothie. You take all those individual fruits, blend them together, and voila, a delicious, unified drink. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach to squashing commits is to use the git reset command. First, reset to the base commit of your branch. Then create a new commit that combines your changes. Finally, push your changes forcefully to your branch using git push-f. That wraps up that answer. Let's move on to another one. An alternative approach to squashing commits is to use GitHub's built-in feature. When merging your pull request, simply select the squash and merge option. This will combine your commits without needing to do anything extra on your end. For more details on this method, you can check out the GitHub documentation on pull request merges. Let's check out another perspective from a different user. An alternative approach to squashing commits is to let the repository administrator handle it. Since April 1st, 2016, they can squash pull requests directly. However, if you need to do it yourself, you can check out a Stack Overflow response that explains the process in detail. For more detailed instructions, you can refer to the links provided. They offer step-by-step guidance on how to squash your commits effectively. Here's a pro tip. Always double-check your commit history before squashing. This will help you avoid missing any important commits. And there you have it. You should now be able to squash your commits with confidence. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more Git tips and tricks. Remember, practice makes perfect.